This week, we visited AP Physics to see what they were up to.
We did a lab called Egg the Teacher, where we basically dropped eggs on Mr. Menegay's head.
This is the second year we do with the AP Physics 1 students, and this is the second year we've had the class, so the second time we've done this at Northwest. I also did this when I taught in Maryland.
The goal of the lab was to try to hit Mr. Menegay as he walked underneath the bleachers. It was interesting to see how the students tried to accomplish this goal.
The students get the opportunity to think about it the week ahead of time, and then this week on Monday they took their measurements and came up with their plans and had the opportunity to ask questions and potentially make additional measurements. So about a week overall.
Well, the first thing our group did was we calculated the speed at which Mr. Menegay moved, and then we found out the time it took for him to travel a certain distance. Then we made a marker, and as soon as he reached this marker, we started a timer, and as soon as he hit the time that corresponded to with where he would need to be in order to be hit by the egg, I yelled, "Go."
We would take his velocity and then how long it takes the egg to hit the ground or his head, and we'd just use a timer to help us find out how long we needed to wait until we dropped the egg.
We measured his velocity when he was walking. We did a few trials with that, and then did some calculations. Basically, found the time that we needed to drop in. Yeah.
It was very fun to watch the students put their knowledge to the test, with some of the results being very intriguing.
How often do they hit you?
I would say about 50% of the time. Direct hit is a little bit more rare, just because of the trying to hit at such a small target from such a high distance. Yeah.
What would we consider a direct hit?
A direct hit would be right in the center of the helmet. I can feel the impact difference between like the middle of the helmet versus the side. Like the grill and the kind of the back or a shoulder would be like a partial hit.
The first time we dropped it off the wrong side, but then he gave us a redo and we were able to hit him right on the side of the helmet.
We grazed his back, which is alright. We got a few points for that, but not perfect. We should have gotten perfect, but that's okay.
We hit him right in the face guard, and he got egg in his mouth, and he spit it out afterwards.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Yeah, I'd do it many times.
Of course, it was the best lab I've done so far.
I had a great time hanging out the AP Physics class today, and I'm thankful for Mr. Menegay for allowing me to tag along. And until next time, peace.